It's a move born in your woman.
Match.
Okay, Obi recently I said Kotoko for Obi Sahan or Amako Fat Towers be the other day. Okay, that's story.
Tell the house of folk now, Korea to Guinea.
As a Confederation Cup campaign.
Obika, I
say the former Yanity, say, referee BN will free Ghana Hall, but
could be English Brunifita.
Ref official.
Mokakusiano will tell you as here.
And I any other report by Abuchena referees the bribe.
Pentoka.
Abuchena referee for the bribe.
But has for match with them the better because on penny for about when you know.
I don't know, man. I don't say how to meet a chinch upon my.
I will take a run mile.
Oh, but
you are run money. I will save you all.
I want to chess. But what's the run my Friday on the air and Papa? Because I'm saying, so 1 year, so what's how can you go on? I bet I do the wheels.
What they are doing, man.
I was doing. We don't go for a boom, give you about Antoine. I come to
and then beside Kwame Parado about buses being a number from him and number international.
Oh, I think that's how this
was so more yes, I know Munyai. Photoshop idea your official from club now.
Say nyabo trainer trip say o patches say
the woman say
no body money
amafo opedi asore bi na kunya so aba onu aba be yin yo can you imagine
asa me kasa oti asa mama say me Simon train yes next match no you will see the bus yan train must
I don't say on yes has
and I'll say communication
sa ubehunu na picture bi aba asa the abas ni spray wie na the picture we aba na and Parado chire mu say enye official house aso e ho house communication and yes
house in almost see next match you see the
supporters ni bi na share chire
asem na oka no nka se bas
me nka se house door
they can on cash me say I'm trying to challenge you say yes see next match
no so munyai
come say e kono ama na fe be talk come on
enye sa kale ya mo dey bay kale na ni nam no
Photoshop no
sa you know yadoso
we be bisa ho we be so
wa o ka cho na internet me say
e ti ko Parado kasa ma menka
o se be ka
PRO
and make to tie ni ye me say
when you so hwe mu PRO gra mu
next home match ya be hu bass no sa da ka che so
and o kire say
ya ko ne ye hu a na ya to nkomo
enu o kire say bass na e wo ho de
ne mo me ko
honorable my odi ato na yes I want to
Oto ametu ni
ba na de ase munyira mo he obo ade
asem no credit and
to say me can say we twen
okay
this where's the Yambo match next Sunday be match right be midweek
ba mo home match
no home
I mean what say
and before say be home na ama be to nkomo
okay
I mean what say
oh nkomo be bre won odi nkomo we no wonder say
I mean me say watch me
Nana
watch na bot
na bi on the time ni na nyo Nana the time ni na nyo
the time na
so Chama hwe so time na ba he
na 5:12 time na no na ba bi ati we da hu ni ye what was it this is here time na da no ni time ni more time
Kelvin Seau says so you all have decided to hunt Obuade
oh no enya ta
etu ana
na omupani ni kire say enya de ebo because pass no say mumu di different beba papa no
ehuma papa na nti o kan sa ne say bas na eba e fe dodo ohun de omude apa wontin e fe dodo wa we na mewa na
no anti sa wo ku club no mo ase
mewa ne ko ba na o ya bonto a ene be hu ogro
listen to me main bus no I showed you the interior of the bus as well as the exterior first there by
what if it's a bad boy na ya papa
dey me be kan akra say Kotoko has before a bebo match has the bus full from but no say me say
what's them an say next home match in 24 hours be ba we no come here Papa Finland the back of man akwa papa ni Fatibe anaji akwa.
Kaza.
We coronavirus.
Kasa na say on foreign currencies in this one. Kasa no.
Yeah, obedi kasa. Bibia boko there. Yo, London here now BC.
But me wa Hackney.
Oh, okay, Hackney. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Be mic no mami why?
Hackney.
Yeah.
One watch ni Hackney.
Akakana ye kikimi.
By be Stratford.
Old Stratford.
Olympic Park.
Minimum Old Stratford.
Fantastic. Now, ebusuafo from UK in London say mutia ya get sports na mo jene say.
Oh yeah, good program.
That's
right.
Right.
For me and my family and my friends, I know I'm work Juma school baby. About 4:30 dia ubia person OT.
That's right.
Ubia to dia in IT.
It is a Alligator Sports be organize a street carnival na show bi wo ha ebefa.
Oh, ebefa papa.
And your boy dey mon fanka
yeah, and Paul also be a earphone soon. He got problem of Alligator Sport.
Oh, really? That's right.
No, move out. Yeah, because particular.
No, it's
like more mentality before we serious about money. So
why relax this?
Sometime I know. I think that day my friend got problem. Now I say, Moody to just say move be good alligator do say.
I think of one friend. I think of one friend.
No, not friend. No, dinner so. No, untie there. Yeah, no, no, original force. No more cash original force. So you call.
Okay.
Yeah, get man.
I am also genuine problem. I say the good YouTube. But when you be crying, I'm going to be touching on YouTube. I will also admitted in the hospital for 4 months. I said, don't be a one there by alligator so one pa. Mamma or run and that's the dear and just alligator.
Oh,
why a fully open?
Oh, so and the BI.
Oh, but I said, the answer for me and son,
that's right.
Say, and why and well,
when
Mike in a band on that.
Idea. Nina, you can say no to her. Nina, the same numbers by Bisun, Ebiswa, and moments and we be kitwa, we be Cassia. Nana said, Era Kobina, but maybe they're quite about it, especially there. Yes, me brother meaning made fufu.
Oh, you said made fufu. And the fufu one here kono. Fufu to the world.
E twa be kire no.
Opa me dey fear you.
Your child you tukane.
First one.
Hi. Obadi yi bako. Kobisto so yi bako. Openi so yi bako. Montetiano. Openi until the ano. Okay, Kobi told that. Obadi atire the ano ba obadi de nani afi no de nani ahwem. Obadi de nani afi no de nani ahwem.
Empani si de owu ya ka ho asem.
Yeah. Pounds they call. Pounds and they call.
Brown.
Oh, 50 pounds ha. 50 pounds ha. Why are there? 50 pounds.
Okay.
Kobi nya. Na o dey dey who say obi a loser.
Kobinya Ghana there.
Openi nya 50 pounds. Obadi nya 50 euros. Ana Kobi so nya 50 Ghana. Abani, every 50 be 50.
Black eye. If you say away.
$50 so come.
If I'm a business, you know, if I'm home, actually, if I'm
Kwabi Stone say Kwabi Stone what say ya won pick here no I don't penny to so
me mo nyina pick
and yes I am Monsan fa shame Monsan pick for
akama Jimmy papa
ya pam kwase na feature
akwasi apia black eye openi ya dia de to ho no family di kan yi bi e na wo yi bi only last person tun kan kre o huna ese table no
ba
huna ko ba e dia ka explain na me
and on fire and na wo na wo two last person wo na onya kese
oh yes
oh I
nyango ponshira wa no ashira
fulam for so wo mo so ehwe ye ba mo so enjoy show no
for Ghana ya wa yi Mrs. Sawe na e wo ma yo yeah in the story na kan me
okay mo be ba try ha
but you're from Prince Eugene
okay Prince Eugene next year tia wadofo ne o na for mo la de that's right omuti
sorry me am papa Charles Kwame Pabi Minyaba Esther my mom Veronica, my brother Frederick, and Caleb and Joel, and my two kids, Mamke and Ohineba, Michelle Bia.
That's right. Kwame, Mami Kasa Bia Sana Mako. Me ba no, me se me di ka wura mu. Na ebia no bi be kasa we no ye dia ja black ye ni nya no. Me di ka wura mu no na anema bi gu ne na ho. And me and I'm so ready am abeto so. On say simo ni nya, me ye kan na ode ne nan. Say the lumba ye na.
Lumba I didn't talking.
Say we mu no pie no. Ana mu ja bi gu na ye ha na ode ne nan. Eti aso. Na me so okay. Say we no me so me na ye dey. Eti aso ti me kwa.
Erade home obo.
Okay. Eti any bogus na be dey. Say bogus so be sua fufu di.
That's right.
Eti be kopem fufu a.
Ode be kwa he.
Say ya ni di o top taste.
Top taste.
Boga for them type top taste. Okay. Eti na eti a Kalen enforcement why Kalen Texas. Texas. Yeah. So we abusu ni America. Now
Texas.
Yeah, we abusu for
Texas.
Kalen Texas. Okay. Makola African shop.
Okay. London for share Croydon, Chelmsford, so many places in London almost actually live big time. Thank you so very much for watching us live on Facebook. Hi Adom 106.3 FM. Diakechiri and Edoswo.
We a landlord. We pay tenant. And also we a tenant. We pay dine. Me want some dead amount. DirectCityHomes.com. Abba. I'm a nay. So we a landlord. Yes, so we are say. We go www.directcityhomes.com. Create your account. Na upload the property no pictures in na. Na for details account. And no. We a tenant so now we pay dine rent. We pay store. And our property be at Sanwa. Go www.directcityhomes.com. Let Jessica Krebi. Now only landlord no. And daily direct. A simple cry. No agency Sembia. DirectCityHomes.com. At the tenants, any landlords, Abego one big website just for you. Open Chemwa Fre 059-300-1901 and 055-2200-338. DirectCityHomes.com. No commission rent house. Direct City Home. Direct City Home. Direct City Home. Direct City Home.
NLA di loto fufrobia bao. Your friend is Super 6. Ama for cha no mucha. Ne dia no mudi. Mini panade iti na uje jaun. Di ama Super 6 loto ya sronko ne se. Ubetimi cha numbers dodo bia upebia. Everyone copy 55. Sa wodi 1 CD cha. Ubetimi di 100,000 CDs. Yebubo number no de biara. Aje se kwesi adape. Na ubetimi cha no ewo loto kiosk BM. Super 6, your lucky 6.
Aja edinkra heba Mr. to me malaria say amama de me ho. She edumre bi na etridi eye malaria adane kwankro e wo me nipadua mu. She abibidu amanom a ne nto na atwa me ho hye. Nanso emu bie ne ho ne mo a etumi to me malaria say kopem sa menya edinkra heba Mr. Ane edinkra heba Mr. Edinkra heba Mr. na etumi ekum malaria muawa e wo mojemo na etu malaria sifri nipadua no mu e ma de ho. Sa malaria ene wo nipadua bedinkra. Jisa Edinkra heba Mr.